Assalamu alaikum guys, today we have this 15 Pro Max. This is like brand new phone. We have this Apple coverage still. The Apple coverage is 15 Pro Max up till November 3 2024. So now we are going to show you all the condition sides. This is like brand new. Even we didn't install any SIM, any network on this phone, right? It's right now it's non PTA, but we can do PTA, but we have time till 4 months to use sims, both sims. We have this both eSIMs. We doesn't have any physical slot of any sim, right? So now we are going to see the specs. This is about now this is iPhone 15 Pro Max LLA. LLA means this is American, right? And this is the serial number. Now you can see this serial number over there, right, on my laptop screen, because we have already checked this under limited warranty of Apple. This is not Apple Care Plus, this is only Apple Care, right? And we have 100% battery. Here you go, you can see this is 100%. Now this is like brand new phone. This is 256 GB. This is factory unlocked. This is not JV. We have fully protected the screen. We have the screen cover on it. We have the pouch with it. So that's it from today's video. Thank you.